Welcome to Candela Cloud. Candela Cloud is an online solution for retailing. To go to Candela Cloud, we go to candela.lumensoft.biz. This site has two options: login and a free trial. If you are a new user, you'll click on the free trial version button here. If you already have an account, you can click the login button, and it will automatically create a free trial account for you. This free trial account will be valid for 14 days. Your account has been created. Now you click on the login button and fill in the credentials information that was supplied by you in the given fields. You'll see the key values on the top of the page: stock, sales, receivables and payables. Since you are a new user of a new company, you don't have any products defined or any stock, which is why there is no information displayed here. Here are some shortcuts or quick links from where you can jump to all features directly. You have different types of graphs available to see your company's performance. When there is data in the system, then you'll be able to see all these graphs and numbers. Here you will see real-time data of sales and other business-critical information. You can see sales-wise and category-wise percentage information are being. On the left menu we have different types of configurations of products, different types of shop activities. You can go through these menus and perform different activities related to sales. Activities relevant to purchase of items is defined in the purchase menu. The reports menu, we have the most commonly used reports, for example sales at the shop, etc. Snapshots of different key information regarding retail operations. Now we will perform some basic retail activity. We will define a line item, and under the line item we will define a product. For example, let's make a line item by the name of garments. You can give any code to this line item. Let's say we give it GMO1. Click Save. Line item has been created, and now we will define product in this line item. You can define any random code to the item and then enter its name. Since it's a garment, in garments there are different sizes and colors, so while defining line items you have options to store colors, sizes and other related attributes. You can either store this information with size and color or without. Here you can select the option for size and color of the item. Here I am entering the sale price and cost price of this shirt. Press Save to store this item. Candela has the flexibility to configure different types of attributes for this item, which are numerous. Before we sell anything, we need to update the stock or enter our existing stock. Let's enter a good receive note, or in short, a GRN, which you can enter with a purchase order or without one. We would require a supplier of that product. But first we need to define a supplier before we can add a GRN. You can store the information of the supplier in this dialog box. We now move the GRN screen. We can now generate an invoice on credit or cash payment. We can give a bill number, which is part of the supplier's number. Here in this dialog box we can either scan the barcode printed on the product or search it from our inventory. We have stored this product in Candela. Press F1 to list the products defined. You can add or update the quantity of this item. We save this data to update the inventory of this item. Saved GRNs are listed in the Records tab, and you can edit these GRNs by double-clicking on these. Now we come to the most critical part of the retail operations, which is the sales. We will create a receipt invoice of sale to a customer. In the product field you can press F1 to get a list of items from Candela, or use a barcode scanner to enter the product code. Here I will search and select the product that a customer wants to buy. Here I am selling 4 quantities of this item. Press the payment button to finalize the payment. Here you can see there are options for different modes payment, either via credit card or via cash. To finalize the payment we press Save. Final invoice for this sales transaction is generated. When you press the print button on the invoice will be sent to the local receipt printer.